The ultimate gaming tablet has finally arrived. Featuring a blazing fast 185Hz display, the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, and an active cooling system, the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro, known globally as the Red Magic Astra 2, looks incredibly promising. But how well does it actually perform? In this video, we're going to take a closer look.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
Starting with the design, Red Magic has stayed true to its signature style. The tablet still features the transparent cooling module along with eye-catching RGB lighting, making it instantly recognizable. It also keeps the flat rear panel design, which helps the device stay level when placed on a table. That added stability is especially useful for rhythm games and other titles that require precise multi-finger controls. When it comes to size, the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro packs a 9.06-inch display, but its overall footprint is surprisingly compact. The longer side is similar to an 8.8-inch tablet, while the shorter side is close to the iPad mini. That's made possible by its ultra-slim 4.9mm bezels, giving it an impressive 90.1% screen-to-body ratio. As a result, it still feels like a compact tablet in your hands, yet the display looks noticeably larger than most devices in this category. Of course, the focus here isn't on making the tablet as light as possible. Weighing 363 grams, it has a solid and premium feel, so extended one-handed use can become tiring. However, that extra weight allows room for a more advanced cooling system, a larger battery, and a complete set of gaming-focused hardware. Moving on to the specifications, the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 mobile platform, paired with the Red Star R4 gaming chip and the Cube Sunny Day Game Engine 3.0. The display is one of the biggest upgrades this generation, highlighted by its ultra-smooth 185Hz refresh rate that delivers an incredibly fluid gaming experience. It also features a 2.4K OLED super mirror display, becoming the first in the industry to use X10 luminescent material. Brightness reaches up to 1600 nits in localized peak mode and 1100 nits across the entire screen, offering outstanding contrast and vibrant visuals, whether you're gaming, watching videos, or reading comics. So, how does all of this translate into real gaming performance? To find out, we used PuffDot to monitor performance while playing Crossfire King of Guns. Testing was carried out in a 25 degrees Celsius room with the screen brightness set to 200 nits. We enabled the highest graphics settings along with the 185 FPS mode and played continuously for 30 minutes. By the end of the session, the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro delivered an impressive average frame rate of 178.1 FPS while consuming an average of just 4.8 watts of power. Temperature readings remained well under control, reaching 37.9 degrees Celsius on the back and 41.9 degrees Celsius on the front. Looking deeper into the performance data, the CPU management is especially impressive. It intelligently adjusts clock speeds and CPU utilization based on the workload. Whenever extra performance is required, the processor responds immediately, and once the demand drops, it quickly scales back. This dynamic optimization helps the tablet maintain consistently high frame rates throughout gameplay. Beyond the stable performance, what really stands out is how smooth and responsive the controls feel. The tablet supports a native multi-finger touch sampling rate of 300 Hz, with an instant touch sampling rate reaching as high as 2000 Hz. Combined with the ultra-fast 185Hz display, every action, from aiming and recoil control to fast target tracking in shooting games, feels quicker and more accurate. Thanks to these optimizations, the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro has also earned official tournament certifications for several popular mobile esports titles like Crossfire and the King of Glory Pro League, proving it's built for serious competitive gaming. If you're a fan of FPS games, this tablet is easily one of the best options available. Now let's move on to an even tougher performance test by running Star Trek King's Hour. The testing conditions remained exactly the same. a room temperature of 25 degrees Celsius, screen brightness set to 200 nits, 1080p resolution, and the overall graphics quality pushed to the very high preset. After completing the benchmark run, the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro delivered an average frame rate of 61 FPS while drawing an average of 7.7 watts of power. Once the gaming session ended, the back of the tablet measured 50.5 degrees Celsius, while the front reached 44.1 degrees Celsius. Although those temperature numbers may seem high on paper, the actual experience feels much better. That's because the heat is concentrated in a specific area that sits away from where your hands normally grip the tablet. As a result, the sections you hold stay relatively comfortable even during extended gaming sessions. Looking at the GPU data, utilization reached only 67.7%, which is actually lower than what we've seen on the Red Magic 11S Pro. This indicates that the Red Magic tablet is running at a higher average GPU frequency, while still keeping GPU temperatures lower than a smartphone. It clearly demonstrates the advantage of the tablet's larger and more capable cooling system. The Red Magic Night Cooler even uses the same cooling liquid found in AI servers. If you pay close attention while it's operating, you'll actually hear the motor circulating the liquid through the system. Combined with highly efficient heat transfer and the tablet's much larger cooling area, this setup allows the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro to sustain aggressive performance for much longer. Some people might wonder why Red Magic didn't add an air cooling fan instead. Based on the current results, the performance gains from additional air cooling would be relatively small while introducing extra fan noise. The existing night cooler system already does an outstanding job. By this point, the gaming performance speaks for itself. The Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro can push supported FPS titles up to 185 frames per second while maintaining stable performance even during demanding games like Star Trek King's Hour. But the experience goes beyond just high frame rates. Its premium display, ultra-responsive touch controls, flagship chipset, intelligent performance scheduling, and advanced cooling system all work together to create an incredibly complete gaming experience. There's even more for gamers. The Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro supports PC emulators as well as Steam Direct, making it possible to enjoy selected PC games directly on the tablet. This opens up even more gaming possibilities while taking advantage of the tablet's powerful hardware. Another useful feature is the inclusion of dual USB Type-C ports. Both ports support independent charging and data transfer, so unless you're intentionally gaming while plugged in, charging won't interfere with your gameplay experience. Battery life is equally impressive. The tablet packs a large 8,300 mAh battery and includes a 100-watt fast charger in the box. It can recharge from just 1% all the way to 100% in approximately 55 minutes. As for pricing, the base version of the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro starts at 4,999 yuan in China, which is roughly £556 in the UK and around $736 in the USA. Overall, the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro has a very clear purpose. It's a compact tablet built first and foremost for gaming. It's easier to carry than a full-size tablet, gives you a much larger viewing area than a smartphone, and combines the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor with the advanced night cooling system to deliver powerful, sustained performance. The S3930 Starry Night touch chip, paired with the ultra-smooth 185Hz OLED display, provides an incredibly fast and responsive touch experience. If you're searching for a compact tablet that's truly designed with gamers in mind, the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro is an excellent choice. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this review or found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and become part of our tech community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.